Start by taping the paint around the headlight. Spray the headlight with water and start sanding with 800 grit. There are links in the description for the stuff you might need to polish your headlights. Sand until the headlight has white uniform haze. Now that I am done with 800, I switch to 1200 grit. Each sanding step after the first one takes up to 5 minutes. When I am done with 1200, I go to 2000 grit. Last sanding step is with 2500 grit. Sanding with 2500 grit will make the polishing easier. This is how it looks when I am done with sanding. Now it's time to polish the headlight. I dab the compound around the headlight. Start polishing on the slowest speed to spread the compound around, and then bring the speed up by a notch or two. Keep the machine moving to avoid burning the polycarbonate. Wipe down the remaining compound and take the tape off. Clean the headlight and around it with glass cleaner. Now I'm applying wax for some protection on the headlight. You can also use ceramic coating, paint protection film, or headlight spray coating. Wait for the wax to haze up and buff it out. And this is the final result. Stay safe and check out my other videos.